Hi, I'm going to try to start this lawnmower. You don't want it. Let me check and see. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and have a part two to this, and I'm gonna just go ahead and cut my grass real quick, hopefully. And then tomorrow I'll probably weed out my area. tidbit. I still have to take these out. Lord's in the house eating his McDonald's. So he's been out most of the day. What the heck is going on over there? So, but in another video, I'll tell you all how much I bought this house for. But I'm gonna take most of these out here, and I'm gonna put some in the backyard like I was telling you yesterday. And I still have to cut this yard over here. This would have been a nice house. The actual owner offered me the property for like $7,900, but this tree up here fell on the house last year, and the person that bought it hasn't gotten the tree off the house yet. So with that being said, this tree is going to be an expensive. Let me turn the light on. Anyway, this tree is going to cost a lot to take down. And I don't know if it's worth it. This land over here is available. That house is available. Pretty much waiting for them to tear that house down to get the land. It doesn't cost that much to tear the house down, but if the city's going to do it for free, you might as well just allow them to. Alright? So, anyway, I'm going to go and do my hair, take a bath, and I don't know, maybe go get something to eat. What are you all doing tonight? Tell me. I'd like to know. I'm not being nosy or anything. Just leave some comments down there if you guys are going out to eat. I was thinking about maybe Chipotle. I don't know, because I'm tired. I'm always tired because I'm always doing things. Like a lot of you probably are always doing things. But, yeah. Soon I'll do a video and I'll tell you all how much I bought this house for. It's a house that is my home. So don't talk about me. So again, thank you guys for watching, and this was just a small part too. It's not very long at all. I appreciate you guys coming back to our channel, and we will have some greater videos soon. Right now I just have to be responsible and take care of the things that I have to take care of, and that's yard work. I'm painting the house right now by myself, scraping, so my hands are like basically like tore up, and it's hard to keep polish and just like be the woman that you want to be. And yes, I'm all shiny. Excuse me, I'm having a little allergy issue. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I appreciate you guys for watching our videos. So thank you again, and check out our Macari page. It's under Billion Brown, and check out our eBay store, and it's up under Patricia Brown, and you should find some nice items there. And if you can't find any nice items there, just email me at trisha.l.brown@yahoo.com, because I don't have a web page of my own yet, or a web page to actually put Lord Essex merch on, his t-shirts and his hats. So yeah, right now I appreciate everyone, and thank you again for stopping by. And this is the yard. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. And again, I really like the Murray 2-in-1 self-propelled lawnmower. It's a great product, and I'll bring the box back out and do another video for that. So it's getting dark out here. I was out late last night and I'm gonna go in early today. And thank you guys, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.